Alright guys, I'm back finishing this wiring video here. I went to the junkyard and I got a harness from a similar car. I cleaned it, it was all muddy and stuff. I got it for about $2. I cleaned the terminals here and I cleaned also the wires, and I'm gonna go ahead now and solder these wires together, so yellow goes to yellow and of course blue goes to blue. I put some heat shrink around these wires overnight so they won't get corroded and they won't get wet, because it's pretty wet and raining for the past 3 days. I have my heat shrinks and my heat gun ready. Also, I got myself I have this flux and the solder. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and solder these two together, put some heat shrinks around them, proper heat shrinks around them, and finish up the job, and I should be good to go. So first thing, as I said, I'm gonna solder these two. So the best way to solder two wires together is always use flux, because flux is what makes the solder flow in the wire, and it makes everything set properly, and it also gets rid of water and humidity, and you know, it just gives it a very solid bond when you try to solder them together. So always use flux when you solder anything anyway. And also use a lead rosin core like I did. I'm using a 6040. Don't use that lead free bullshit. That shit is no good. This is the old school way to solder things. I prefer to use this instead. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead. I will get these together and I'll be right back. Alright, now we got our wires all soldered together, and this is what it should look like. Okay, now we're gonna put some heat shrinks over them, and using the heat gun we're gonna just blow hot air on top of these heat shrinks, which is gonna make it airtight and watertight. And on top of it all off, we're gonna put some electrical tape, and we're gonna do our continuity test and see if we get signal on both ends. Alright, so I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Alright, my tester is ready right now, so I'm probing again the yellow wire that I had an issue with, and I just finished soldering right now, and I put the heat shrinks around it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my other end, and I'm already selecting here continuity, so let's probe and see. So it's pin number 21. There you go. Perfect. Wonderful. That's all I want to hear. Okay, let's go again and try and test the other wire, the blue one, and we'll see if it's gonna get the same results. There you go. Exactly what I want to hear. Perfect. Alright, now the rest is straightforward. I'll basically put some electric tape around these wires just to protect them a little bit more, and tuck the wire down already the same way we took it out. Plug it back and we'll check if we have our ABS lights still. Alright, I'll do that and we'll see. Alright YouTube, well, this is the moment of truth. I'm gonna see if our ABS sensor light has been fixed. We did everything to troubleshoot this known problem with GM motors, and we're gonna see right now. We did good. Start the engine. Look at that. No more ABS light. How sweet is this? See? Perfect. No more lights. Well, I call it fixed. So if you guys have the same problem, as I said before, you do like I did and change all four full hubs. First, check your wiring. Check if you have an issue with your wiring, and if that didn't fix it, go with the try to swap ABS modules. If that didn't fix it, then go ahead and buy hubs, or so at least scan your car and see which side is the one faulty. All right, well, I guess this concludes our my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you guys diagnose and fix your issues if you have the same car with the same problems. This is calling it fixed for me. I'm out of here. See ya.